not you live in a high-ceiling condominium or a landed property like this, I am here to show you how you can double up your spaces just by using the voided area at your home. Let's get to it.
Originally, the ceiling that you see now was non-existent. It was a high ceiling void where the veranda on the second floor overlooks the living room below. The veranda is gone now. We sealed up the space with a walkable concrete platform, turning it into a home office and a mini kids play area where the homeowner can actually watch their kids during their work. So the way we built this is that the first layer of this newly added room has a base of 9 solid rafters with metal plates, followed by steel reinforcement bars and concrete for the additional support. It may not look like much right now, but with the whole house done and the design team working their magic, this place will look amazing.
And that is it for this video. If your home holds a desolated space that you feel has potential, contact us at Posh Home and let's connect you to one of our experts, shall we? Till the next time, bye!